What if the reason you're still struggling with money has nothing to do with your income? What if the biggest obstacle isn't your paycheck, your boss, or the economy? What if it's a handful of daily habits that quietly drain your future without you even noticing? Most people believe that becoming wealthy requires extraordinary intelligence or a massive salary. But when you look closely at people who consistently build wealth over time, you notice something surprising. Their biggest advantage isn't what they earn. It's what they repeatedly do. Small decisions. Ordinary routines. Tiny habits that compound year after year. And the opposite is also true. A few seemingly harmless behaviors can keep someone financially stuck for decades. Today, we're uncovering 5 of the most common habits that quietly keep people broke, along with the simple changes that can completely transform the direction of your financial life. Some of these habits may feel familiar. That's exactly why they are so dangerous. The first habit is lifestyle inflation. It feels like progress. You receive a raise, earn a bonus, or finally land a better job. Almost immediately, your spending grows to match your new income. A nicer apartment suddenly feels reasonable. A more expensive car seems deserved. More dinners out become part of your routine. None of these purchases seem outrageous on their own. But together, they create a silent trap. Every increase in income disappears just as quickly as it arrived. Instead of becoming wealthier, you simply become more expensive to maintain. The strange part is that this cycle can continue no matter how much money you make. Someone earning twice as much can still feel financially stressed if every dollar has already been assigned to a more expensive lifestyle. Wealth isn't created by earning more alone. It's created by keeping the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap becomes your freedom. The next time your income increases, resist the urge to immediately upgrade your life. Upgrade your investments first. Upgrade your savings first. Let your lifestyle improve slowly, while your assets grow much faster. That single decision can completely change your future. But there's something even more damaging than spending every raise. The second habit is treating credit like extra income. This mistake is incredibly common because it doesn't feel dangerous in the beginning. A credit card makes almost every purchase effortless. You swipe now and worry later. The monthly payment seems manageable. Then another purchase appears. Then another. Before long, your future income has already been promised to yesterday's spending. Credit itself isn't the enemy. Used responsibly, it can be a useful financial tool. The real danger begins when borrowing becomes normal. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that can no longer work for you. Imagine planting a tree only to cut off a branch every single month before it has a chance to grow. That's what high-interest debt does to your financial future. Before making any purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Would I still buy this if I had to pay cash today? That question creates a pause. And sometimes, that pause is all you need to avoid a decision you'll regret later. Before we move to the next habit, take a second to like this video if you're finding it valuable. And if you enjoy practical investing lessons like this, consider subscribing for more videos about building long-term wealth. Now here's the habit that quietly destroys motivation. The third habit is focusing only on short-term results. We live in a world that rewards instant gratification. Food arrives in minutes. Entertainment is available instantly. Packages show up almost overnight. Naturally, people expect their finances to improve just as quickly. They start investing and check their accounts every day. They save money for a few weeks and expect their lives to feel completely different. When dramatic results don't appear, they become discouraged and quit. But wealth has always followed a different timeline. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every morning to check whether the roots are growing. You trust the process because growth happens beneath the surface long before anyone can see it. Investing works the same way. Saving works the same way. Financial discipline works the same way. Most of the progress is invisible at first. Then something incredible happens. The small decisions begin stacking on top of one another until the results suddenly appear much larger than expected. Most people give up right before that moment arrives. The ones who succeed simply stay in the game longer. However, there is another mistake that quietly makes everything harder. The fourth habit is ignoring where your money actually goes. Ask someone how much they spent last month on restaurants, online shopping, subscriptions, or impulse purchases, and many people honestly have no idea. Money has a strange way of disappearing when nobody is paying attention. A few dollars here. A few more there. None of it seems significant. Yet by the end of the month, hundreds of dollars have quietly slipped away. This isn't about creating a restrictive budget that removes all enjoyment from life. It's about awareness. Because you can't improve what you refuse to measure. Even spending a few minutes each week reviewing your expenses changes your behavior almost automatically. You begin noticing patterns. You recognize emotional spending. You identify purchases that added little value to your life. Suddenly, you're making decisions intentionally instead of reacting automatically. Awareness creates control. And control creates options. Now we arrive at the final habit. In many ways, it's the one that ties everything together. The fifth habit is believing that someone else will eventually fix your financial future. Maybe the next promotion will solve everything. Maybe the government will help. Maybe the market will suddenly make you rich. Maybe one lucky opportunity will change your life overnight. It's comforting to believe that outside forces will rescue us. But lasting wealth almost never appears that way. It grows from personal responsibility. It grows from consistent action. Every wealthy investor understands one simple truth. You don't control the economy. You don't control inflation. You don't control interest rates. But you do control your habits. You control how much you spend. You control how much you save. You control whether you continue learning. Those choices seem small today. Yet over many years, they become the difference between financial stress and financial freedom. Think about two people who earn exactly the same income. One spends every raise, relies on credit, chases quick wins, ignores spending, and waits for luck. The other saves before spending, uses credit carefully, stays patient, tracks expenses, and accepts responsibility for every financial decision. At first, their lives look almost identical. A few years later, the difference becomes noticeable. Several more years pass, and they seem to be living in completely different worlds. One constantly wonders why money never stays. The other enjoys growing investments, increasing freedom, and opportunities that once seemed impossible. The gap wasn't created by one dramatic decision. It was built through thousands of tiny choices repeated every single day. That's the part most people never see. Wealth usually doesn't arrive with a loud announcement. It quietly appears after years of ordinary discipline. And staying broke often works the same way. It isn't one catastrophic mistake. It's a collection of small habits repeated so often that they become invisible. The good news is that habits can change. You don't need a perfect investing strategy before you begin building wealth. You don't need an extraordinary salary. You don't need to predict the market. You simply need to replace one bad habit with one better habit, then repeat that process until your daily actions begin working for you instead of against you. Those small improvements may not feel life-changing this week, but over time, they become impossible to ignore. If you want to discover the next financial habit that separates ordinary savers from people who quietly build lasting wealth, click the video appearing on your screen right now. It will show you the next step in building a financial future that keeps getting stronger with every decision you make.